Hi, so I have here. Here is the current update of the project of the Smart Matching app. So this application. Today I continue working on the crawling all the data. So every domain. So the goal of this. So this is the function that I created today. So the goal of this is to to get the content of each link of the XLS file, and then for example this one. So this case startup, and the sample data for this is this one. uh, this. So after the crawling of all the data, so I got all of this data, and I just need to to make it um because there are texts that is uncommon. So basically this, because these are a function from the JavaScript. So I just some I need to do some changes to remove these functions and variables as well. So yeah, to continue, um, I rendered all of this function, and as what you've seen, since we have, I guess, 2000 data for this one, 2211 data. So if you're going to check, so 103 383. So let's check here, 103 383. And currently, we are now. Wait. Sorry. Currently, we are now here on line 1000, 1318, and yeah, we have to. The function needs to to render more data. I mean to read more content of each domains, and yeah, we need to. I'm also using Scraper for this to have the data of the content, because some of the URLs, or some of the domains, their results are, some of their results are just depending for um data from a separate domain. So when I tried to fetch those, so basically there are some problems because we are unable to display what we need on the application. And I guess that's it for me today. And thanks.